लिखें। द appellants through instant regular first appeal under bracket RFA have assailed the judgment and decree dated 29/6/2010 of learned senior civil judge referee judge comma Sawat whereby comma he after hearing the objection petition slash reference under section 18 of the Land Acquisition Act, 1894 dismissed the same by only entitling them to receive simple interest at the rate of 6% per annum of the principal amount of compensation from 5/4/1999 to 8/3/2000 full stop. Learned counsel for the appellants contended that the findings of the referee court are the result of misreading and non-reading of the material evidence available on record, and the same are also against the law full stop. The next contended that the referee court failed to keep in mind the potential and future value of the suit property and has thus unlawfully dismissed their reference full stop. As against that comma, the learned counsel for the acquiring department submitted that YD impugned award all the affected landowners have received their compensation except the appellants full stop. He further argued that the appellants themselves had expected the amount of compensation at the rate of 22,000 per canal through negotiations at the first phase of acquisition in the year 1990, and now they cannot claim enhanced rate of compensation of the similar property because of their conduct and requested for dismissal of their appeal full stop. The learned counsel for the parties were heard and record of the case was perused full stop. Perusal of record would reveal that the government required a considerable area of land for the construction of Kanju Township scheme, Sawat full stop. This being for public purpose, government selected a huge chunk of land measuring 2122 canals of land suited in 3 different villages, namely Damgaram, Kanju and Dehrai of Tehsil Kabul district, Sawat, and accordingly started land acquisition process under Land Acquisition Act, 1894 full stop. The landed property appellants was suited in village Dehrai full stop. To initiate the process, the notification under section 4 of the Act of 1894 was issued by the Land Acquisition Act, collector, and published in the Government Gazette on 15/8/1988 full stop. After completion of survey, final declaration, an order of acquisition was issued by the Commissioner Malakand Division on 15/2/1999 full stop. Thereafter, possession of the property was taken under section 17 of the Act in the year 1999 by the Gazette notification dated 5/4/1999 full stop. The objections of the Landowners were also called for by the collector by issuing notices under sections 9 and 10 of the Act Ibid full stop in spite of the objections of the landowners, proper decision their own was made full stop. Then at last impugned award dated 8/3/2000 was announced by land acquisition collector by fixing market value of the acquired property at the rate of rupees 22,000 per canal on the basis of 1 year average prior to publication of notification under section 4 of the Act Ibid along with 15% compulsory acquisition charges full stop. So we allow this appeal, set aside the judgment and decree of referee court and fix the compensation of acquisition property of village Dehrai at the rate of rupees 80,000 per canal with 6% simple interest from the date of possession along with 15% compulsory acquisition charges, minus what has already been received by the landowners full stop. By keeping in view the agonies of the affected landowners, we direct the department to calculate the compensation amount according to above terms and deposit the same in the referee court positively within 3 months full stop.